Rise and shine. It's swap meet time. For those of you that already follow me, you guys already know what's up with me. On Sundays, we help moms out, set her up to swap meet. She's been selling swap meets for most of my life. I'm 49 years old. This is how she bought this house, selling in swap meets. Hardest working lady that I know. So right now I'm setting her up. I'm gonna take her to a swap meet, set up her spot. From there I go to the shop, get to work. We close the shop at 1:30. So when the shop closes at 1:30, from there I go back to swap meet and pick her up. And pick up all the stuff, put it back in the trailer, and then come back home. But that's pretty much my routine for Sunday, guys. Just got done setting mom up right here. This is what mom sells right here. Say hi, mom.
¿Qué?
Say hi.
¿Para qué? Hi.
Chicos, ¿para qué? This is all the merchandise that mom sells right here, guys. Bags, bows, rings, every bow you could think of, guys. Hair pieces, everything. Just got done at the swap meet. Right now it is 7:50 a.m. We open at 8 o'clock. So you see behind me, I got my trailer hooked up. So I'm headed to the shop right now. Open up, get to work. We close at 1 o'clock. Well, we close at 1:30. By that time, the swap meet's over. Swap meet's over by 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So it's a quick day, I'm gonna go right now and knock out some haircuts, then go over there, go back after, pick up, I have my trailer hooked up, and I go back and help mom pick up all her stuff and put it back in the trailer, and So that's my Sunday routine, guys. Just to let you know, what I mean. When I told you guys supplementary income, this is what I mean. You gotta have other things going on. You can't just be one thing only. You gotta. Sometimes if one thing doesn't make the money, you gotta have something else that makes the money. It's supplementary income. Have other things going on. Today is a beautiful day here in the LA Basin. I mean, it's probably it's right now on my truck is at 68 degrees, so it's nice and cool, and it's just a beautiful day. So I know it's gonna be busy at the shop. I'm short-handed, of course. Only got 2 barbers. Me, myself, and Tony are working. We've been holding it down for the last 2 weeks like this, working 2 people on Sundays. I used to have 4 people working Sundays, but I'm short-handed, so I guess I gotta knock them out. Just to give you some stats, yesterday I ended up doing 23 haircuts. It was pretty relatively busy Saturday. I mean, real busy. 23. If you're doing more than 20 on any day, guys, that's a lot of haircuts, So 23s, that's a lot. So today, right now, I'm gonna open from 8 to 1. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna knock out at least 15. So it gets busy on Sundays. If I had one more person, I'd be all right. But you know what? It is what it is. Something will show up. Something will pop up. I'll find that miracle guy that likes to make a lot of money and wants to work hard. But in the meantime, I just deal with it. But I'm here at the shop now, guys. Gonna pull up and get to work. Get started this day. All right. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I mean, herbs are good for everything. Why these people who want to do so much good for everyone, who call themselves government and this and that, why them say you must not use the herb?
got to the swap meet right now. I'm about to put all this stuff away now. Look at my poor mama over there. It's like 97 degrees out here. It's hot as hell. Get to work. Chillaxing here by the pool. J-Lo, Tigers. Big Rob over there on the 3s and 2s. Making onions.
Have a black hole seats like you could see good.
Yeah, bro.
Damn, Rob on the 2s and 3s.
And I'm on Facebook.
Facebook, what are you doing, Carnalote?
Watching this fucking racist white guy be amazed on Mexicans. I'm about to share it.
What is this? Share it, share it. What is this?